Leveraging Java 8 Plus features for functional programming. In the world of software development, Java has always been a popular choice for building robust and scalable applications. With the release of Java 8, developers were introduced to a whole new set of features that revolutionize the way they write code. One of the most significant enhancements in Java 8 is the addition of functional programming capabilities, which allow developers to write more concise, readable, and maintainable code. What is functional programming? Functional programming is a programming paradigm that treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions and avoids changing state and mutable data. Java 8 introduced several features that make it easier to write code in a functional style, including Lambda Expressions, the Stream API, functional interfaces, method references, and the optional class. Lambda Expressions. Lambda expressions are a shorthand way of writing anonymous functions in Java. Stream API. The Stream API in Java 8 provides a way to process collections of objects in a functional style. It allows developers to perform operations such as filter, map, reduce, and collect on collections without having to write loops. Functional interfaces and method references. Functional interfaces are interfaces that contain only one abstract method. Java 8 introduced the functional interface annotation to mark interfaces as functional interfaces. Optional class. The optional class was introduced in Java 8 to represent a value that may or may not exist. It provides a more expressive way of handling null values, avoiding null pointer exceptions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Java 8 introduced a range of features that make functional programming more accessible and powerful in the Java ecosystem. By leveraging these features effectively, developers can write cleaner, more concise, and more maintainable code. Functional programming in Java 8 is not just a trend but a fundamental shift in how developers approach writing software.